Hi students, we are in a new chapter and we are learning how to make comparisons. And the first lesson is how to make comparisons using the words as. Now something goes in the middle here, so we're going to talk about what that is. Let's look at the examples. Tina is 21 years old. Sam is also 21. Tina is as old as Sam, or Tina is as old as Sam is. You can say it both ways. Now, look what's between. Old is an adjective. So we can put an adjective between the two as words. Mike came as quickly as he could. Now, look at this word, quickly. It's not an adjective, it's an adverb. Okay, so you can put adjectives or adverbs between the words as to show that two things are equal or the same. Now, I just want to remind you, adjectives give us information about nouns. Adverbs usually give us information about verbs. Okay, so meaning came quickly. How did he come? Quickly. Okay, sometimes we can use adverbs to modify adjectives too, but we won't see that example here. So mainly used to modify verbs. Okay, now let's look at some examples of how to do this in the negative. Ted is 20, Tina is 21. Okay, so we want to say these things are not equal. So we're going to use the word not before the first as. Ted is not as old as Tina. Ted is not quite as old as Tina. Now, if I use the word quite, that is an adverb that means there is a small difference. Small difference. Now look at this one. Amy is 5. She is not nearly as old as Tina. Okay, 5 to 21, that's a big difference. So we can use not nearly to mean there is a big difference. Here are some other modifiers like quite and nearly that have different meanings. Sam is just as old as Tina. That is just a word to show you equal and put more emphasis, just a little more emphasis that they are equal. Ted is nearly as old as Tina. Ted is almost as old as Tina. These two words mean the same thing, and that means they are close to the same, almost the same. Remember, not nearly has a different meaning. That means there is a big difference. Okay? Well, I hope that this helps you, and I hope you practice, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.